wrong side. I got a new monitor, just if you were curious. I made a post on YouTube a couple days ago about me getting something, and I showed you the Dell shipping thing, so this is what I got. It's one of Dell's gaming monitors. I bought it from Dell directly because Amazon sucks, and every time I go to buy the monitor is sold out, and then I have to go find it, and the price is right back up again. This was 140, no, not 100, 200. I don't know where I got that. I'm still tired. Oh yeah, also our entire family got the Corona, probably from my dad getting all of those Corona bottles for his target practice for knife throwing. Don't ask why, I don't know. Also, don't ask why that he's doing knife throwing, because that's just part of his job. And don't ask me about his job because I really don't know anymore. So the monitor is going to go right here. I gotta go get it though, so I'll be back. Alright, I gotta figure out where to put it. Oh my gosh. Wow. It looks so good. Okay. Man, it's really quiet in here when none of the fans are on or anything. Our dehumidifier stopped working, so it's pretty quiet down here. None of the air purifiers are running either, so very quiet. But it's good because I can talk about stuff without being interrupted by stuff. So the new monitor I got is the Dell 27-inch curved 165Hz FreeSync monitor. Now, I could have went with the FreeSync plus G-Sync, but then I would have had to only do like 144Hz, and it was a bit weird, and it was also more expensive for some reason. So I just went with the whatever. I turned FreeSync off on the monitor so it doesn't do anything, but it still does 165Hz at 1440p. Now, that number makes more sense here because my Asus one is also 165Hz. The hertz is how fast the monitor reacts. Actually, a good example is this other Dell monitor behind me. This Dell monitor right here is a Dell 1920 by 1080p monitor that does 60 hertz at 1080p. My Asus one that's upstairs does 1080p at 165 hertz. My new monitor, still 165 hertz, but it runs at 1440p or 2K. So that makes the difference because it makes the image much more sharp and easier to read text and stuff because it's not all blocky and blurry. So yeah, this other computer just is also 1080p, but it's like 1600 by 900, which is weird. But that one is a true 1920 by 1080. It's a 21.5-inch monitor, but the one upstairs is a 27-inch curved. It's a gaming monitor because the hertz is higher and faster. So that's the reason for that, and I guess that's really all I have to do. I've been using it for a week now, and it's a really, really nice monitor. I love everything about it. It's a Dell monitor. Again, I bought it from Dell directly from their website because they had it was actually the Memorial Day weekend sale on it, so that's why I bought it. And it was actually at a pretty good price, and I'm glad I bought one. And I'm going to probably buy another one by the end of the summer to take back with me, so I have two of them. and then I'll probably either keep the Asus one in storage or sell it. Probably the second option is better, and this monitor, I don't have the box for it anymore, I must have thrown it out. This monitor I'm keeping until it breaks or dies, or I just really don't need it anymore for some reason, but this monitor I'm keeping because it actually is a very good monitor for just plugging something into it and testing. It's got an HDMI, it's got a VGA on it, so I can plug into basically any old computer from the 90s. I think it also even has like a DVI and a DisplayPort on it, I think. Hold on, actually, check what kind of signals it has. No HDMI, guys. Give me the... So it has a VGA, DisplayPort, and HDMI. Okay, so it doesn't have a DPI or DVI or whatever it's called. Sad. But I think my gaming monitor, my Asus one, has DVI, which is a strange port at this point. But anyways, that's that one. So it's very good for just plugging stuff into computers and testing random things that need HDMI or anything. Doesn't have a speaker in it though, so that's the only downside about it, but it's still a great monitor, to be honest. I use it as a double screen monitor for my HP, which I don't even know if my HP is on. It's not on, because it would have woken up from sleep. So yeah, anyways, that's going to end this video. I'll hope maybe give another update. Also, it is the 1 year, actually it's past the 1 year anniversary for my Dell XPS 17, so my Dell XPS is 1 year old. I don't know why I'm still clapping. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, family, and until next time, peace. High five.